Finally, the game industry Activision just released the Call of Duty for mobile. So in this video, we are testing its gameplay and let's find out how it's gonna perform with the OnePlus 7. Welcome back my friends, hope you are doing well. This is me your host vmsulthan. Call of Duty Mobile has developed by the team of PUBG, the Tencent, and also the Timmy Studios. Hence, you can expect a lot of similarity with that of the gameplay of PUBG. It is of course an online game that requires a good internet connection, so just keep that in mind. As you guys can see, the intro visuals are intense with graphics and the audio quality is also just awesome. Anyway, let's get into the actual gameplay. They do provide these tutorials at the starts and hence it is easy to get used to the controls. And also the placement of buttons do find similar with the PUBGs. I think the people who tries PUBG can easily get hang of this game too. Coming into the gameplay, there are like two shooting modes, beginner and advanced mode. Firing is done automatically in the beginner mode, that is when the crosshair is targeted to the enemy, and in the advanced mode you have to press and hold the fire button. And as you guys can see, the controls are also a lot similar to that of the PUBG. The gameplay wise it shows a lot of similarity with the PUBG, both of which are of course battle royale game, but it is not as hard or complicated as the PUBG. And yeah, the Call of Duty is just like the 4x4 Evo mode on the PUBG Mobile. Yeah, that's it, that's what you will think when you play this game. But don't get me wrong, there is a lot of mode yet to be unlocked in the gameplay and it will be unlocked as the player level up. Also, there are a lot of maps included, most of which are like a small battleground, but just see, it's already available at the release time. After playing like a 15 to 20 minutes of gameplay on the OnePlus 7, the back portion has become moderately warm. Not actually warm, but quite good heating going throughout, just around these dual cameras. Anyway, the gameplay is somewhat enjoyable, but I won't say it's as good as PUBG's gameplay. But the details are intense with a lot of guns in customization. And also just cannot stop saying that the graphics are too good and it's too intense. And that which combined with this good audio clarity, it's just amazing. Anyway, just give yourself a try and let me know in the comments below. By the way, I will leave the direct link to this game in the description below.
Cover me, reloading! Sniper!
Alright guys, that's it for today. But before get going, follow me and say hi on social media at vmsulthan. You can just find the links from the description below. And also be sure to make your click count by the like or dislike button. Maybe you can also use the share and subscribe button too. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope to see you all in the next one. Peace out, my friends.